Hello there. We're going to be doing the Pringle Challenge. I'm here with my father.
Hello.
And what you do is you blindfold yourself. We have a few different kinds of Pringles. We blindfold ourselves and taste them and try and guess what flavor it is. Okay, let's get started. Okay. Put your blindfold on. Ow. Can you see anything?
Nope.
Okay, there you are. Okay. First one, let's see. I'm just gonna spin it around because I don't know. Okay. Okay, stick your hand in.
Okay.
Go. Whoa.
Don't tell me what you think.
I don't know what that is. Put it on the lid.
No, I'm gonna say, wow.
I don't know what that is.
Garlic of something?
Do you want to try it again?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
I kind of get like pepperoni. Would it be the pizza one?
You picked a pizza flavor?
I don't know.
Yeah, I would say pizza. If you picked a pizza flavor, then it's a pizza
Okay,
flavor.
take off your blindfold.
Okay.
Pizza!
Yeah, that's a good one. Nice job.
Okay.
Definitely.
Next one.
Okay.
Blindfold on.
Blindfold on.
Okay. Put the cap on the table this time. Okay.
That's a sour cream.
I'm getting a cheese. Another try.
I'm gonna stick with sour cream or something.
I'm sticking with cheese. Take off
Okay.
your blindfold. French onion dip. Okay then. Alright, blindfold back on.
Yeah, it tastes like an onion dip.
Yeah, now I can't see it. Got it.
Let me get one. Got it.
Barbecue. That's barbecue.
Barbecue. Oh, Lipton?
Barbecue, yeah.
Yep. Clearly barbecue.
That one. Oh. It's got a weird aftertaste though.
Yeah.
Okay, blindfold back on.
Okay, back on.
Where's the bed? That's not the bed. Okay.
Okay.
I don't know what that is. It's good.
That is good. I'm going to say all cheese, like a cheddar.
I'm gonna go with cheddar too.
All right.
Lift your blindfold. Sour cream and onion?
What?
Okay. Alrighty. Blindfold back on. Is this the last one? Yeah, last one.
Okay.
I don't know what this is. Tastes like cheese. Or butter.
I'm not gonna say cheese.
I get the kettle corn flavor or something.
Let me have another one. There's a little bit of that kettle corn, but I don't know what kind of chip you'd call it.
I don't know what this is. Okay, take off your blindfold. Nacho cheese tortilla.
Yes. Yes.
Well, I guess the
Yeah.
cheese. I guess
Nacho
cheese or
cheese.
butter. Okay. So thank you for watching and subscribe. Thank you. Bye.